If you need to share SurveyMonkey results with others, this video will walk you through the quickest way to create a shareable results link and send it to the right people. This is a really useful option if you want to review survey data with teammates, clients, or stakeholders without giving them full access to your SurveyMonkey account. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to click, what to include in the shared results, and how to copy the link so you can distribute it right away. If this guide helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Let's get started. First, go to SurveyMonkey in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're on the home screen, click on the survey you want to share results for. This should take you into the survey workspace where you can view and manage the responses you've collected. Next, click on Analyze Results. This is the section where SurveyMonkey displays your survey data, charts, and response summaries. If you want to share the results with someone else, this is the area you'll use to generate a link. Inside the Analyze Results view, look for the Share option and click on it. SurveyMonkey will open sharing settings for your results, and from here you can create a new shared data link. Click on New Shared Data Link to start building a link that others can access. After that, you'll see a list of result types you can include in the shared view. This is an important step because it lets you control exactly what other people can see. If you want to share written feedback, make sure to tick open-ended responses. If you want to show patterns, summaries, and changes over time, tick data trends. And if you want people to view each response individually, tick individual responses. Depending on your survey, you may choose one option or all three so the shared results match what you want to present. Once you've selected the response types you want to include, click Get Link. SurveyMonkey will then generate a unique shareable results link for your survey. After the link is created, click Save to confirm the settings. Then copy the link and share it with the people you want to view the results. You can paste it into an email, message, internal report, or team chat. Just make sure you only share it with the right audience, especially if the survey contains sensitive or private information. And that's it. You've now learned how to share SurveyMonkey results with others using a simple shared data link. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.